Our company is UEX Corporation. We've been in the Athabasca Basin looking for uranium in Saskatchewan for the last decade or so. We were formed in 2001, the spin-off from Cameco and a company called Pioneer Metals. So we were formed up before the uranium boom happened. With that, we were able to leverage ourselves into some excellent land packages. We currently hold, with our partner, the world-class uranium producer, AREVA, one of the actual largest undeveloped uranium resources in the Athabasca Basin at Shea Creek. We also hold significant resources near the Rabbit Lake Mill on our Hidden Bay project, the Raven Horseshoe deposits. Together, we have 85 million pounds of combined indicated and inferred resources, which is one of the largest, if not the largest, in the junior sector in the North American arena. In 2013, we did additional drilling at Shea Creek and expanded the resource to 95 million pounds. We also initiated some work on our Hidden Bay Raven Horseshoe projects to start working towards pre-feasibility, and that's ongoing at this point in time. And those were big things we did in 2013. Absolutely, we've had 3 or 4, I don't have the exact number, but I myself, being new to the company in January, have come in for 48,000 shares. Other parts of the management team, our CFO has been in for similar amounts of shares, and some of our directors as well. And mostly because we believe that UX prices have dropped to the bottom, and more importantly, that the uranium sector had hit the bottom, and it was time to see, we're seeing recently uplift in the uranium sector, and we think that's going to be ongoing. The biggest catalyst of all will be the announcement of the Japanese restarts actually occurring, which we believe will happen sometime in 2014, probably in the third quarter. And the reason why that's important is it'll take some of the short-term pressure off of the uranium price on the spot market, and let the market realize in long term, there's a severe supply shortage for uranium, despite the fact there's massive growth happening in the nuclear generating business, about 20% over the next decade or so. So it will allow regular market dynamics to occur, and I think we'll see the price of uranium move accordingly. Highlights have been a really good volume of people who are very optimistic about what the upcoming year brings. And for us, particularly the uranium sector, seeing a lot of people very bullish on uranium. And of course, since we hold a lot of resources, that bodes well for us. But more often, I think more than anything else, as investors are interested in the mining sector again. And when they're asking the right questions about how they get back in and what are the criteria. Much smarter questions than I think you might have seen before the last run-up.